baby am madri no obia woni din kwadwo wo wodin funny face woni din ena tu adwuma we no obia wo babia na ho den pa wo asa we obi bisa o eduru ba mi yesen ka min kwa radio so bi obi ntimi nka se oyi obi afi industry no first time me ne character ayi was set was that day obanti set na sa dey see ntema me bufu honestly me bufu na my pamo ne free set so and talk of acrobato chewa kwakumanu apostle John Pra the last time I go no me card last time me too obi nka do pa kuma se kra dey na me ko share na yes di na dem odon so dey bi ntimi mamuda industry pass or dobebam is a lie. Me time me ye adwuma no and answer me beji drink cram na je ko ne gina ne na so. Ko timi 2 pan na script ya pile gu na chi say no e no ma ojoba said so. It was just a scene. O twawie ya na me ka chen say me phone gina chen na master. Asna me can market on the wall. Say wo o ye nipa kese wo Ghana. E best ni adwuma ma a time is coming na wo beji sin adwuma no asiwe na so. Asna me can say kwadwo kaya nyame ne me dance for.
Hello, lovely fans of Poleeno Multimedia. My name is Armstrong Poleeno Ade. Say the name that and if I pass on subscribe to the channel now. Click on the subscription button and then click it bell notifications and anytime we post a video we'll be straight. Interview you know, hey. I started pay interview in a way back 2017 Hawkon. And I'm a son and a dear boys are breasted. I UTV. On one director and I'm watching director Dir Kwasi Boadu way back. Me kumaka secondary school nyina me dwane ne ho anam kwose na makosua de hakra. Director mako over Poleeno Multimedia.
Yeah, Poleeno. It's good say what's the issue.
Director me do ati ate.
No dey normal. Normal.
Ati for na me kai say stand up herbal supplement and aso ya so stand up herbal supplement. Supplement bia say o ye be man say o pese o bo adwuma yi a na wanum kama bibidro ye de koko ene hama na ye de aye na kama ejanka bi na enya ni so ade hunu ene nyame adom o de say dro ya ba na de fe wadro we hunu say o 18 plus to 40 years your specification mamo ena 40 plus so to 70 no your specification mamo mi hu bi sa da nti stand up herbal supplements pe ene de bi sa ba nti wa hu say wapomuden ne obema yomu de obetimi afre omo number no screen so o abrochi o wahin obeso tuton a free number no director
senior
director mbacho ya hefo onni mo sentinka obebo o background kakra bi amaye
Poleeno Multimedia viewers na mechiamo FM Kwasi Boadu me movie director me sign radio determinant analyst
okay
na ba no sinetwamu a mede achi kakra enche be breed but if you are 15 16 17 years ago there my do industry no sometimes you know you lie low kakra nti any media no ya na yentem no ewa so unya yen for interview no nya say bia ye nche ho na baby o bebre but if you works as a director na person me works any di e come ho asem dan say me de ma no ebeka ene ba no siniye no musu na ma ye adwuma kakra so track from 2010 2011 2012 2013 2014 there about the whole Ghana na director bi any ho so because the start season no o ya adwuma sin Kwasi Boadu na oboa okay records no ho so bi o chinjifo bi abetimi akọ na ko find it out I don't know say me trust or say
background I think that with this name I have form kakra na director but obetimi abobo specific movies be from that time na o produce and as a director na
Poleeno nyame show say me dimani kwachia me fan me bo producers na na bia betimi aka me movies
okay nti u bo producer na no
aboni Thomas me na me ye abusua dofunu ema pa Thomas abusua dofunu den time some kai sa from ya e film bia e beji idri pa abusua dofunu be ma pa Thomas my year from some ya abo King Kong ya
tutu movie na way back agidin pa
say e ba no industry my record back on so am set here no me name nua back on India animated movies na animations no yen nipa introduce you the movie industry
okay
yenya team be from tech
Okay.
UST.
Okay.
It's almost now they were into computer science. It's a collaborating and who say no. Saturday movies no name why choked. It's now saying so be before ever. It's your try sad and a man. And no crack on a man miji din power industry no. It's movies no.
Thomas Abusiado Funu. Ya Kong. And then him say any movies back on why amomo countless time. But ba ku bia ne de.
Di mani bua. Me nya adwuma kwa ne be metimanya be 100 and something movies.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
But me anka sans me produce here. Obanti akwanye movies no.
Director be ba outside because and some outside on pa. Ehun hia me mema mahefo so ehun. We there wasuma or say or chamia when masem kan o se na wasuma mahu adwuma director aye wabon ho modern bebre yen mu bi say no ye start industry no omo na ase na didin kakra ye disusu anyoma ye OSS na dwane from Kumasi Academy to Dr. Mensa.
Yeah.
Me bad director by was Poleeno na de na ate abobe 10 am akra de by that time was in go school but na Mr. Studio because me no na sini na wura from Jesus in Antiminya akwanya se me ben omo no na o se de bia me kom na ase na me kosua den kakra director nya me share was akwan
share was
afi e bo room and some be won director na directors actors guild and now you're secretary mpasho me
yeah it's in a fufro no actors guild directors God no directors guild not actors directors guild don't say actors guild no directors so directors guild of Ghana no yeah na yet sa God no
okay
na you started with Ola and Ola Michael and Dr. Jackson so last minute ya pa am ni nyina wo studio and a confusion see na emote
okay
me no ni India
obechirim kaka confusion
na you split it Ola no could do one side and am in India so could do one side but as time goes on no enyina sign be hu say no directors no who be here say you benya one front be they are fighting for the welfare of the director it's you started say a plan for directors God it's that time no remember nyina code no the three northern regions including Ashanti region western region then na 5 regions then time na me secretary to the association and sana actually director rich ebe we are God na cause akwa register data rate yeah obe we are God na call register because that no you operate na you ba na register auntie meeting be ba so Kumasi so oba ye no ensem bebre and o ye fast and we are God na call register
until we are without more
no and I decided I have to distance myself from the God until to date no me share that ye member even though bibi ba ye wo kwan ye de fa so ye de kono but then time you tell for no the first year or first year, first year, and do 2 years, but a year and a half now. Now I was secretary to the committee now. And Sunday be election, Krama, Asarbediakon, any first president, directors got very good. And Sana, Eko any my friend, Abe national, a year as say rich and a year president.
Director in himself, Director Kofi Asamoah. Way back that time, I think the name is Sadia, but the name is Otaba Studio. I have for interview, no, I had the now, don't let her. Some catch you say, was set of boys are bread. She don't let her no quite here, and on dream you can a chums, and Tina, there was a captain and a cover. And you may, of course. Director, Pachana, Hana, me bisa say, Minim Sekofia someone or Studio 7, Pachana. Studio 7 Dr. Mensa na me tell hu no ho na o de na fantasy am and I say na o you be a ono so enchim kaka me hu
Kofia Samoa no na already no wo industry no mu kakra na one sofo bi na ye adwuma sofo kwati
okay
na one sometimes na begin so ene sofo kwati na nam begin so enipa na me na ye adwuma o Kingdom Media sa anti ye hu no
they say o Germany na
bigi we say bigi wa Ghana say bigi wa Ghana do okoba de ba say obesti Ghana enti intemu hon me kan ye de ye bebom by eni Kofi be ye adwuma wo studio kakra eni Kofi be ye adwuma obe ye assistant director enti we most of my movies assistant director no na ye Kofi Asamoah the last 2 weeks when on Facebook and I must be a posted picture be 7 years ago sad off so be said so I'm say hey picture the fact oh dear dey better house why yourself
I think there were a lot of pictures with this interviews me drop it am ahefo ehu emu abusua do
very good into Kofi a studio guy no am assistant director Kofi am studio guy assistant director and any Jones say eduru ba bia ni Jones agiman so ebe ye adwene ni nyina wo studio baako
okay
nti na Kofi yo ho most of my movies no na Kofi ye assistant director enumu ana ekwan bi man say so ba school e waka nti eno nso na ema ye mu ebe kakra but you come say you adwuma de Kofi asamo obi obeka bia no Kofi asamo na the records are there to show na ono ankasa so no na ho brase nti no ba bi obehia obi an osalute say boss e ba kai kwan me na kasa so many occasions Kofi nti obi say ye no kre
Kofi director osi mwache nyame esho
nyame na eda na
still now you look young fresh
ni fa show musu ya o enema bi o ha yi fra brabo no ma e ma okọ ani
mo show musu o specify ahefo na am person
omunim
there be munim
hwe bra no nsa make bra bi yes omunim pa ade bi ho de ka brabo no hu en sansem basa ma sem basa dem ma bi obi nka say bi akiri bibia it's one bottle obi there onya sofo a ogidi anya it at least you can go with it ba say odi etua mu da na be ma onya oba ba ko bi ho ana say bia wo yire ba ko bi oga ba ko bi so tare ho a you see
it also onya yire na onya girl ba
it depends on your financial status and your ability to control the two
all right
it me can't you be say on fire and fire girl but at least normally no to me now yire ba ko bi oga ba ko bi na otikwana you na da say akosi e ba me ba adwe e ba ndi obegonte nti miemu bi no nema bi sei na ama sabi ya keep young till down na ya nwini ni panso ho asem bebre nwini ni pa ho asem ba adwen bone bebre na ya den sam so che e ba kakau ya ka wi a go away
bebre de na ese director kakra timika
oh nipa on ye nipa de bia meka ya nya sra bofo nti obi ye wade a sometimes you feel the pain. But all my pain no and didn't call more to the extent say be take guitar part of you. No, because depend on why you are there no the wife to baby Joe man you now what if you now dream home and no be more winter. Say obi here there we try to let it avoid go.
Yeah. Director way back I think I don't know whether I'll get the year right and I think 2010 2011 thereabouts. And then I more try say movie ejako free the industry.
Who Poleeno sa say we obi bisa o ma edruba mi yesen ka mi nko radio so bi because obi ntimi nka say oyi obi afi industry no no me time me ye adwuma no and answer me beji dream cramo na ejako na gina ne na so pa let's put it that na ejako timi 2 kwan na script ya pile gu na chi say no eye chawo ntimi ni me crew no transe hunu say it is nipa na ni ho na adwuma no ye be hold ni sa den say na ma industry no enko nanim nti ye per strategy say ne characters ni be keka abom nti je try sa tam na chewa wo ne na so apostle jane na so na kwakuma no mum na efifiri ba nti ye de sa ne mensa ni nyina ka bom a ene ye try ba ko nso hwe mu nso hwe pa Thomas
I think that no na kwakuma no ne apostle bomb no run home
very good nso hwe nso hwe
that movie was a blow.
From back on some yama pa Thomas be seen any rent me free na ni rent free me ni mikro nyina no e so hwe mu so it ye ka sa nipa ne me nsa ne bo mu no ye be hu se na ahodren no asun si aja konkon ntafi na ma ni ba ye hu se sa na ne aja nis ni mu a ye beto ntade na wo se tintran ye twen ye aja nti ena keep on ti ye de kwaku apostle John pra chewa ye ke kom bom sa na satam na Matilda ne mo nso no efifiri no mo nso banti akiko mo nyina agum na na manfo hu se ene say ajakra ni sinimu a ye beto nti anya kwan se santa so bi ka say bia ye mu bi ne ye ma ajakra adwuma bo na ya menti ase no menya nyame ma obi adwuma bo na mum na tu satam na ska no oje nso no na ye ni yentimi ntua sa ska no but ne keka nipa ni nyina bom a ahode no timi ekosoro nti na nya obi say oh yeah, you no, I can't do that.
Na say mom hu ensia no kwan say bia ni kwan say train ni pa ba ho e wa kwantu man say na etimi aye adwuma.
Poleeno sini adwuma ye nyina no e key. ye bia wo key di bia sinipon.
Okay.
Ndi sa afi bi dru na sinimu ye tighter. Me say enya key no.
Okay.
Ndi so onya key na door bia you can unlock it. Ndi sa time na nema mu aye dendren no. Ye hu say keka artist ni bi bomu a ebefa. Ye try nyame adon so e fae. And am I say to me people your way through.
Okay. Yeah, that's one director Kwasi Boadu twetwe nkomo Poleeno Multimedia. Send me di kan interview we no on matching from I think 2017 up to now 2020 and I feel my director I in kasa because ne nyoma bebre obeka no ebe dictate yen mu bisa no any the young ones na so amoba no matimi de bi abom entoma no se ne be ade bia no matimi e de aye adwuma ene aye adwuma pa on say na ejako ye the top but omantimi anka say yen twen ejako time wasting se be twen ejako a ne obi antimi produce sini ene yen keka nyoma bi mom. That is the creativity of a director. Director, I salute you for that.
You see, Poleeno, and your industry, no, your problems be brave, especially with the producers now. Executive, let me put it, the executive producers and the producers. You see, we don't create stars.
Okay.
We always depend on one character. So tembiano nipani niwa na mahoshraba. But it shouldn't be like that. Ghana so then time no ye 10 regions.
Yeah.
The 10 regions now and that's certain 10 regions with about 25 million population, you know.
Was he create?
We
should create stars.
I know na Ghana ha ho chere. How come say nipa ba ko ni ho, nipa mienu bi ni ho a. I was say a whole industry, no, you hold not transform. It shouldn't be like that. There are a whole lot of people who are equally good, just that they've not gotten the chance, they've not gotten the opportunity. And depending on character, but could be and the producers. I thought that sometimes I don't see what's wrong with most of them. Say, "Obet me I from way ni mudia, way ni." Na say nipa, say time no ni ho, say time nipa no ni ho no. Ni ye den na ni ye adwuma no. You see. Eti ye nyina no
na sa nyoma ni nyina aka ho
na ma ye kofom ebi na ye nem achiaba embu ye basa nyoma ni nyina na eka ho e de na tumi producer tumi hwe adwuma anya producer po marketer tumi hwe adwuma na aka se nipa we ni mu dia enya de market ama it's wrong. It shouldn't be like that. It's wrong.
All right. Enya futu bebre na director say ye create there na minim say what time no try say we create bebre.
Yeah.
I know say yeah, you superstar Bako. Kujon Lilwin, one of the biggest celebrities in all Ghana right now. Now, Studio 7.
Yeah.
Moboa no kakra. And I say, the next start to try.
Yeah.
The whole idea about saying, like, how did you start with Kujo?
Kujon Kansa wo Jones Sajima said so.
Okay.
Na me kwaya ade wo Jones wo na me kwaya no na omoye adwuma no nse obi ye twa obi dia omo aka no mto no modin komo ti me kwaya young guy bi ti ho na mpanyifo o tempanyifo no waye concert omo masresa na who is this guy me hwe no I use the kind technically no me who say me wura honhom osim boy owo dachi osim.
Yeah.
It's one guy, sound guy, be an animal, Kuchumasi. And I'm friends on fair boy and a mammy. And Oma Kwajoba said so. So I thank Kwajo first. I am dinner. I just say Yami Bamu Adolf. I did it for Adolf, mean Kai Papa. It was just a sin.
Okay.
Oh, Cherry and I'm catching and said, my friend Ganchanam's master. As now make a market on the wall. Say, we in the Pakistan or Ghana. A best near Jumama, a time is coming now, who be just near Juman as we know. As my make us a Kwajo Kaya, Yamene me dance for.
The vision, and I say, the future, say, bright future in the industry. And see, from then now, any day. And then I make us say, first time I'm in the year, even though no what would Disney Nachi, our father is in the brains. But then time, no, bit me a Jumano, not Amber. Okay. But any Ogoro. Then time now person hate yeah only a camp out but there's no way so bet me afa hate okay nti oba set na me ya mo fan chem say me we fi I say I check akra na adwuma no so do so na afa bike but first it was just a sin into otwa wie no and me say guy bibi woni mu nti we wie na me fere gyan na me say Kwadwo jiro ho na ade me say we ni pakese wo Ghana. Now time is coming now. The movie industry no over time it is wabati. As na make nyame
Poleeno any me Johnny a dance for. And one that's us I know I'm creative marry me not
I think that this funny video trendy Lilwin I think that Obia can be mirror fit time nigga nail movie
marry me
damn shit I think one of Nikasa
Lilwin gammy
yeah
ship well ship that's Sunny Rams na
yeah
start when I start and Oko YouTuber the funny videos na go nya na ye me
most of them
no future and I'm pa nyame adom commission so abamu ama no
okay be say me kai ahwefo be say me kai one short comedy be I think the talk of the town and I said the word of the town and go for be refer to another director or movie.
Is it I can't think far.
I can't think far. I can't think madness. That was a movie director.
I can't think madness. I can't take selfness. That was also a term I gave to him on and also by hate and also
I think the recently I can say
last time you come a friend the manager said bread with some of them I don't think fan a bread with some of them
into the item budget to us into from there no
from there no na fe wabeye me boy
okay
into oba me studio time bi oba beto no ho ti me kwadwuma bia me de ne ko I quite remember abusuan dofunu na o ka kira akobeto say opeso onwu yen so obesan na yi obeje insurance so on turn the body no wu a wasie no nti adwuma no course wa kodru point bi afi yentimi anya adwuma no anto aso bio yentimi no kodwo kaka
na me kai wo say show a stand up herbal supplement na so ye be man na untimi mbo adwuma I was say open stand up herbal supplement now the support to member yim so one on it so be so 2 ton so person won kwa autonom ne bo so eda from kama wetimi afre number no screen so baby a edru no akame o say ye adwuma kopem say ye ntimi anya adwuma bi director
senior
the word is ye adwuma kopem say we ntimi anya adwuma bi then is here
Bibi kese bia nhye dansi I quite remember na me ye from be I think Obanti ni akwanye I shot it at the same time
okay
I think na the idea was na niema I started ye basawo yen camp
okay
from studio no it wanna kodwo ba say o director se me ni kwakuma enu kra no o kan yemi enu pebu mu a ebetimi aye adwuma so why can't you plan something on your own now wo mayenye so Obanti was my first movie the first movie I made produce into a trance in here so fine ye movie into me kwadwo kasa me kwakuma no so kasa and started see aye adwuma so on the set aye adwuma I think so I can't one day one scene it was less to just a scene and I kwadwo catch them say ne sofo say ombra and I'm so oh adwuma ya wie I can't just a scene so why can't you shoot it now unko it's a home ma ebeye kikiri but kasa na nyamu no
there is a batch of me about now say I can't just a scene of which are not that particular day no obetimi awie
ya wie adwuma ni nyina awie last day last scene for kodon cancer
nti owie sa moment na
de anya ade achi wie ye na obetimi akọ
okay
nti obeka nam so kodwo ade na wonto obuma yenwie na yenko besides that na adwuma ye beye nyina no eye wo kra wa idea na wo motivation na mama banya hodam de yes adwuma nti eba na size na be transfer say we ya director see bi wo ho a o point say we vital sin because say bi obe cut promo ne that it's also so vital nti na me hia tan that so am de ko share last year no nti honom na ebe ye akyinji kakra wo mene ne ntem emabu first time me ne character ayi was set was that day I don't actually remember the year but from Obanti set na side ni see nti ma me bufu honestly me bufu na me pamoni free set ni so so onko scene craft me ntwa bi mu na that time no na kwadwo wo Jackson set so nti free Jackson ho na ba me ho me akwa me sere kwan wo Jackson ho e na oba nti Jackson wie ni so ye ma no e na oba nti o yes na me kase kwadwo ade wa na ye me ya because sana me no wotie no yente say obi ni obi ne director but we are more than brothers ultimate studio de bia anapa wi adwuma ni hwa enye nyina ne no anase obi fo nti just a sin out to so for nti to bu na yema me wie ne ko nti se me kan e ma bufo bae nti me pamo no free set ne so ena satam na boys e was set ne so ti boys ni panyefo bi be kan ya o me bufu and that was my life can me be just some buafu sada okay ena me so me nye ni pam ne ka ta ya adwuma me pe kai so I don't say that my life me pe kai iti e ma eye me ya iti later no be kan ya ena yetwa sen no nti yetwa sa sen ni wie ye no honestly besi enne ya hyeda anye adwuma biasa ya ama yentam nso anko papa biasa
na director minim de abufu ne ba ye de minim say bia ahefo so join the major no say director mpacho wadaro mo aka wan sin de but me sofo frame ntin kam be say me ko eye esia ne ba na bia director wa chere ne say oh mayin wi ne ko I think say when nya de we say de abufu gidigidi ba ma I think say eyiye ba na that time now feel say ona ode na ban ti o say o hye wase ema wo wie na wo hye no ana say na kasa one ne ka say kojo nyabotre ye wie na wo
ona ade na ba no ma mentene ho no adwuma na ne ye aha nti yeah I don't like directors ka say ona ade obi aba no na adwuma na ne ye and most of my movies na me feature no and na oye me nua ketwa oye me ba nti time bia no wo me nchen but asem ne na e man ha mra kan say yetime ye adwuma wie nti aka wansen den na ho prepare and sometimes na kwadwo eye at the verge to his stardom
okay
oh no you at the verge to his stardom well I think sometimes na Jackson di adwuma bia ba DJ Lilwin
okay
it's not fans no it's a hono kakra no me ham me hu say bia in a way no he's been arrogant in a way because everybody be you obi akra na kenja me ha iti mama ya madu say or say me man hu the difference between a character and a director because seeing you ntwam no kwam de be faso enti na mama pamo no but later no mpanyifo be kan but a hono no niam me bufu kra me busan fu mo no because na or pick kakra nti no na nipa hwa so boys just came to me director panacho no onye na come what do you mean what do you take me for say me mpa me character cho so onye adwuma mama he's not doing me a favor adwuma na yeye adwuma na yeye say adwuma we so say enye ho ntiase sa na remember problems ni bi Alison adwuma na yeye you about deliver services na wa charge me media amount you go your way iti ye wie na etwa si ni wie no free hall no honestly me no yeah entam
kame ba ho adwuma na mo ye mutua na kawia na okọ ne baby ti director mbacho utua na ka said ye wo say utua no for that particular movie no and agreement am for ye no
besi ne nyina no se me fro bi say acrobato Apostle John Pra kwakuma no na say bia acrobato kwa koya adwuma ma obi na obaji nipa bia 3000 4000 me wontime nchimisa okay we have that rapport between all the characters
me cry I'm not really about the figure the main figure I'm like the contract obi everything I say me be twa movie achew me word that is the agreement but if you o director me be twa anu apeka kram I mean the contract between one and verbally no oh yeah said there was
oh this card there only say ntwidie there e bia so na be so and let me say the record Sunday be so but what we agreed on we agreed on a specific amount
and we deliver
all
right and na me pese
ye oba first na akatua na nye and satan ko na akatua na enya de bia huhu sa then time na is 500 600 or so enya de huhu bia
because you nim say directors na that time no mo jiska say mo de ye adwuma say ebia wo so ma obiska na mo ntentua nti ato say bia na eno so ka ho bi nti na ebia ono so eyeze ne metwa kakra ni ma minja na sini ne nsai
Poleeno me one person me one director metim dim insasimebo say me di obia 10 crowd industry no moda because from masua ade bi ho edinje no edene Ghana ha say obetumi agi udin na obi hu se nipa we ni nti me pick na me bom dine ho ban because me Dir Kwasi Boadu na ho hia me pa edina ya outstanding movie industry no Kwasi Boadu a outstanding edina me person me think kawa bia be count me mandi producer bia skada mandi crew bia skada ena ne aboa me so ne say skada na nyame na me kwaje producers discover PM no coordinators no it me no mutua meka as any ordinary person but kwadwo dia na meka de na ye mea wadwuma but me tua meka said it.
All right, I have for a higher Poleeno Multimedia send me dig and catch on interview way patch way back 2017 and year per se deba and I think I'm Multimedia director or boys are set so you YouTube every Saturday director Bachambwa
Bachoya Saturday boys are
na Dir Kwasi Boadu director of it the original me camera here Brandon here DOP for boys are director Bachana pese me hu say only Lilwin issue ni see no akasa buy will be a party ways no I know it's also from there no mind me and yet said na motie no in a way no affect you as a director so
yeah my main issue na enya effect on me so pa enya greatest effect on me so because issue li see enu na satam nu na kwadwo e de fa na hit
okay
satam nu sa season na de fa hit nti atete enu ni say producers na adwuma ne ba na your producers and some obi fa hater sometimes I believe in the character more than even the director. It is a human ba and when about direct Kwasi Boadu or Kwasi there if Kwasi is supposed to direct it there I won't shoot it.
Lilwin
yes ma me say one ano but producer bi one year adwuma later okono omo adwuma ne bi na otieti akira say as woni kwadwo honestly science that enya effect say wo so pa enya effect say wo so pa
say you know or characters before one and no year John talk of our cross Brakwaku Apostle John Prane amo mo keka ho no montem te sen
Poleeno meti o mu bi nka achepa
okay
na eno no ma de bia menya adwene bi se sa characters no omu bebre they are like butterflies and the directors no mu bi no ya say flowers no so Poleeno obu say butterfly is flower bi super na che say o pe bibi wo flower no
okay
but time a obenya saje na wie no eno an etoda o how person ka bia o te o character bi nka at least on pick phone kra no on from until the paninka enti amamsum adapt strategy say fine sa na tie de na business adwuma ba now fit for the road yeah I'll just call you but say on friendly basis say minimum me frɛ wa chia no most of the characters some you power say entertain them that way a business as pretty business because on about 100 so enti say na kola ne ba ho na me catch on say characters ne ba ho no mo ye ogoro on say me ogoro me the first director na frame ogoro ye ogoro director one director no size obua adwuma wonya ofre nti na o ma sa places ne nyina na say adwuma ne say free nsaka krakwa ebe yo sesini no sesini na o different ba bia o hunu just good morning kra no ebebo
okay minim say ahefo ne bi person mu hu characters bia omo etisa say de wo ka no minim say o ye bi bisa say wine na etisa
minim say characters say characters na minom ye adwuma den time no you can talk of acrobato Chewa, Kwakumanu, Apostle John Pra, Papa Kumase, Matilda, and I say, Matilda, Yajuma. Matilda, I'm contract finance, on the Matilda.
Okay.
But the last summer, mean, card last time it's being cut. The Pakumasa cried, and I'm questioning yes, the dinner.
Okay.
I can cancel for channel. I mean, cancel for channel. No, say second time I couldn't see the cancel for channel.
After the win fight,
no, already, yes, I make a bear and do 1 year, where 6 months as some credit. Make a cancel for channel. Some money ni panam kwa or do be any 90 any monamontem. They say, you could pray you money bar and a my humo. As a human match, she said the first ebana is a hum. Obin Casabi, for ye human first cabre will be in no, Chroma yet no being show be. But airfare, say, if you Poleeno, Metipolo catch it, mean friend and Chiano, that's our how to what to say, I wish I want to say, no, Unyabi. But Nipam you know be a while, may only outstanding. Mama Kali, actually brewer. Sandman through him to Swana Massari. Mama Kali did 2 weeks. I will man from Miss House at Henna. And yes, cow, and after all, baby, I knew my buy a drone, can say, but at least phone call, we want to say 50 cents. But Omunia, it's me, young directors never am to Omofu. Almost from home characters no. Adwuma fru nsa abo a wo hwe mo hu on be ye ogoro be this year that why no size afro no me na mo said so na man dey release form ne apostle no mama me asia konkon
Wow.
Yeah, most I feel good morning, Kranunya. And the young guys say me too. So when
Say I have for Matthias said the interview with Media for like 2017, almost 3 years near Media, and some the doors because when you say young directors no, ebe fair for to be brave film. Yes, say oh, say oh now would this so near your gora. Kai say the can for be gora and sana oba for be too hopeful. Director I said the whole can or do any industry.
or don't see they been to me, my mother. Industry pass or dobebum is a lie. No mono, Yensusuma or Tino, and yet more. Because it's a competition, but a competition will be answered, no, sorry, no, but a cordor swan and a senior, but so dopa, Poleeno na maybe a fancy, me young director. What's on na me produce am ne adwuma na fancy later o ma me adwuma na adwuma nyina wona we ya so you nipa you feel peeved even though it shouldn't be like that but ube feel peeved as oh asem nam dey can just example na me set it because you say competition it odo asem a can but they are no odo but you say ma a tiny mum no e ba fun but say total ide yenya and they because a competition it and yenya
yes you don ho nti welfare ba ebi mu ntimi kran didi mom pacho ya to adro da was set so
adro de time ye adwuma na me ndwene enko ho nti ma hu bi se bi obi tu ye nyame ebi do saa time na me nye religious say ene but sa ne ma hu bi da and adro ni sa ne ma no I don't believe in it nti wo adro wa fako but so obi atum adro ni sa ne ma no de e ka se me hu bi na me adro
but one who be so as a main director one who be was set so say obi see atum adro nti
oh ensam ke kan de obi beka
okay but
obi betimi ahu obi onchia no I quite remember ni producer bi am yes me nkasa no hoda me ko hye na yes me chia no amoa ne nsase na so master emu bi ne am onya ska o yes ane o ye just what chia ne nsam I don't know say waji bibio but eye unni ho obi kwaji obi bone mpaye no unni ho nti say obi akwaji aduro obi sane ma ya me fa ma adwene ko
director mbasho otete me but show we Poleeno Multimedia show ahayen ka asem enkata so e wo see bie so na ahefo ni timpacho oba me show so dia I take over if I say producer ben and I watch channel ma oblo
it's not necessary but address am o kanti na ma me kase obi wo ho a ebi wo ya na no necessary adru but ebi na kwankyere bi ni san ne na be but unipa no unnim ade opportunity untum fo adwen kase bi e adru na bibi but ayake kakeka ewom but me usiam na one hwan ya usiam na se ne ya mamrete no usi obi odo ne ye den san na eche and so che obi no ye ma bro na yese in a way between kase bi na direction bi che se any so chiao and I said that moment any so
most of the times in a perception so come
but say me and say man who say obi yes and I say my course of bi hwan na makoba bia ma kase the first message atu adro ne ade no
yes director okase odoni industry nim I think say recently there is a current beef ekoso between Funny Face and Lilwin based on the Lilwin comment or pass ya Funny Face feel say anko ya mana na say entwa ye no abe entokwa bebre ama omokro omode omohagim no edoso o ye director o game ni match no afutu ben ya na say asembe na we ka chrom
Lilwin beba Funny so beba because I'm characters so as a director no me eja ema omo eti eja so de o madi nsamfo otwa omoto me ka chen so munya na omoye no munya nsabe munya because ade bi wo ho a nke betimi ashe ewo ho dan say e betwe no twan ya tweme amntwen so no e ma kra e painti me ka chen so munya nyefe because when nipa bible kwa ka say mfumso mpa kasa dodom mo na wo ka kwachi no won say wako ka asem bia ma o fans kra wo me ka ti nipa sumasi kra na ka asem sen we ka che kwadwo say ajobro me ka che fani so say ajobro omo yen kwala enchen so munya nsemfo no me twa mo to semfo o mo pe ba bi ntran no
ahimfie de no ho agim Sandra Baby de no ho agim Don Little so de no ho agim I think say abeye war like a family war first individual but you say than family war I don't know what is going to turn next and I don't know ebi mo so say beef there ebeboa music industry na like movie industry you compare music industry na you see beef na a woman enti na amana loud like you want to say music industry more big because a beef any movie industry ni meeting ten bi ase yen te en ka say the sini bi aba anse ne hu say na konti beef no eba boy industry
Udin kaka asem bi let's de no ho agim Sandra de no ho agim kotre se na to bobo me no ho ye mahi se no jeje se omo aya na asem ba omo gina chire susu jagum no master sankofo ye no ho kraye mahi se main characters na kra you see but ya na eba ne sa na obia person ye man ne boss no hu se oh me penasem because of kakra ebedi nti master so ye nipa obia na wodwene wafunku ho de bia obedi nsamfo esa na oton nyansa o conscience ankasa no oton nti sa beef ni ade no me in particular de hu hia ma me because one baby amaduri no obia woni din kwadwo wo wodin funny face woni din ena two adwuma we no obia wo babia na ho den pa wo funny face brand eso ni brand eso pa kwadwo so kwadwo so fan base do Ghana hanom no ano so nti obi ade ne lem na omo ewa akire ye totobo ba park no so master omunya sansem ho no omunya sansem nti so ochina bi se ofri kwadwo camp na okosia fani wo ba bi a sen na obe eno ne ade ya na medwene ho ko sa dwuma ye koda ye Ghana ha kwa na te sen na ka dwuma industry ye kitwe bi eti time me adwuma pa de ba kwa na mbompa e chinya me se o ma me nyo obi bone because obe kwa na kwa kosia nipa no obekwa na ko shiri Poleeno sanka me no nantie na me ye obone a ekene me hu sanka me simi trase
nkra nka me ye obone a mentimi masa
na mentimi mani pa no nchen enti mesro mo se omunya no me ba bi aduro no eye omuntwa so na obi anye na adwuma no peska ngoni
yesi ye mabone mpem ba bi a aduro no director ye ja omo akọ ade asa menim se wo set so wa breye but because matwe wa chenti na ma ha kakra we de fa cheme enche ye beto aba director mpacho jina Poleeno Multimedia na campaign ema party
Ghana for Dir Kwasi Boadu ni na America ne se enche about so no beba so na nyame ayi no ena obewe ni
okay
na nyame no choose nyame na sin ne Poleeno na nyame ayi no ena obewe ni ena me as a director won ebeyem o mama den some company party bi amenye because one MPP contract ba meji NDC contract ba meji last 4 years me NDC advert try this year my MPP advert very good
yeah matem won yeah
is you be say there you neutral o sika ba bi bia de be dia to ye be say Ghana for say abade de yantu ni boom na nya nya be pese odi o man say o say ni otiso na ne transfer on tran I was say for neighbor say ex-president Mahama and I say suffer be unity and so council 500
oh okay
unity so no say na me unity say omra enyina ye nto aba na omra
okay director and batch of final words na yenko
Poleeno afuto kakra me de mema me young directors ne say adwuma ye no e season and am pay for say emre ye ni nkaso it is a drew season now peak na onya adwuma ni bi ye na sika ba ho a fa sika ni bi sie and ade bia be so this can yen so no ye ntem because edru ba bi na say bia in a year no betimi directing movies throughout the year a time is coming one cry no hwe ya obebre ho nti ba ne sa na je na wanka sa be nti enya sika na ye fa bi si na invest say de be ya ebre no dru na enya adwuma bi anye kwa investment na ya ye no e betimi am ya didi e we nkokra ebre mu.
All right. Yesi unye skana siebi emre ninka so se wanya bi na fa bi sie se na be ya ekina bi no ubo akokra na se uduru mpanyin fie so bi so na se adwuma ne ma hyehyew se de na eba na wanya bi ede adidi na me kai was a stand up herbal supplement na so yase nti se oye be ma na wa yemra from numbers no e screen so na fa bi enom na ho nyeden na o yere njao papa